Hello. Hey, Officer, the reason for the stop is your tag light is not illuminated right now.
The tag light?
Yes.
Can I get out and see it?
No, not right now. Can I have your ID, please? Where are you guys heading to?
Right here.
What's right here?
The hotel.
Excuse me?
The hotel.
Okay. Alright, do you mind running down these back windows for me? The same time. Alright, ma'am, do you mind stepping out the car for me? I gotta talk to you for a second. Just face away from me. Just walk back to my vehicle for me, okay?
Okay.
Go over here. Alright, I'm gonna put your hands behind your back right now. You're gonna be being detained because you do have a couple warrants for your arrest. Out of different couple of counties here in Georgia. And also, your license is suspended.
Your passenger have a driver's license?
No. Oh, you still got this on the title.
Alright, just 1 second. I'll adjust it. Do you want to leave your car here?
No, I don't. I need to call my mom.
I'm going to start you back here.
Bro, you don't have to drive me. I'm
I'm
not
going
go nowhere.
to. Lean against
But
the
you
911.
don't have to, though.
Lean against the
It's
911.
so crazy. If I was going to do something, I would have been gone.
Okay, cool.
I'm weird out here. I'm not getting in the car until I call my mom. Because I'm not leaving my car. I'm not leaving my car.
Alright, we're gonna figure it out, but you're gonna have a seat.
I'm not.
You're gonna, ma'am, listen
I'm
here.
not.
You're going to get
I'm
this patrol
not.
car. Yes, you are.
I'm not. Until I call my mom. And
No.
I'm telling you.
That's not how that's gonna work.
Okay, if you would have approached me differently, this would be different.
What do you mean? I approached you.
You didn't, bro. You didn't. I don't even want to talk to you. For
You're
real.
going to get in this patrol car.
I'm not.
Yes,
You're
are.
being aggressive for no reason. I'm not.
Ma'am,
I'm not.
I'm telling you that
I'm
you're
not.
going to
What
get
are you
in the
going to do? What are you going to do? You going to snatch me?
Yeah, you're going to get in the patrol car.
Okay, no, you're not going to snatch me. I don't want to talk to him.
Man, get in the patrol car.
I'm not about to get in the patrol car. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, you are.
Bro, I'm not.
Do you really want to do this?
No, dude, you really want to do it. You're doing the most for no reason.
Have a seat.
I'm not. I'm not. You can act me nicely.
Have a seat.
No, you haven't. Weird ass. If you ask me nicely, I would. No. You just
Have
being
a
aggressive
seat
for
now.
no reason. Bro, you being aggressive for no
Have a
reason.
seat, ma'am.
You're being aggressive for no reason. And I'm telling you that. That's fine. Weird ass. No, weak as fuck.
We're trying not to hurt you.
No, you're not going to hurt me.
Yeah. You're catching another charge, okay? Okay, you catch another charge.
I don't give a lame ass. You got these tight ass handcuffs. Weird ass. Trying to be genius. What you talking about?
Stop kicking the car. Hey, at the very least, charge on obstruction on citation.
Okay. Stop kicking
I'm not
the
doing
window.
shit. I'm not doing shit. Weird ass.
Stop doing it.
Like I said, you got the handcuffs on tight. You weird as.
Stop kicking
I'm not
the
doing
window.
shit. So you would loosen up these cuffs. I ain't doing shit.
They're loose. Well, you're going to jail, so.
I don't give a. I've been there, dummy.
Ma'am,
I don't want to talk to nobody.
are you going to stop kicking
I'm
the
not
window?
doing shit. Like I said,
Okay.
he was weird as when he came up to me. He could have been nice.
He was being nice.
No, he was not.
You decided he
No,
wasn't in your
was not.
mind
Like
when
I
you got
said,
arrested.
just like I told him. I said,
Okay.
damn, you put these cuffs
So-
on tight.
I watched him put them on.
No,
He
the
didn't
you didn't.
put- Ma'am, listen.
Boy, get out my face. Do what you gonna do. Do what you gonna do.
Are you
Do what you gonna do. I'm not. I said I wasn't.
Okay. Well, we're about to put you in a device called the wrap, okay?
Well, you gonna have to fight me. You gonna have to fight me. You stop talking to me. Like I said, I asked you nicely. The fuck? It's so weird. We can't.
So what? Wow. All right, look. Hey, can you just go to the jail? Can you just go to the jail?
I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
All right, everybody see needs here? That's where their needs go.
That's all you can do with this. Bro, I'm not finna get in that shit, bro. I asked you so nicely. Bro.
Needs to be turned over.
Yeah, it's gonna definitely take all y'all. Definitely. Bro, get the off my head. Stupid ass. Weak ass. You weak ass, bro. Y'all some.
You gotta get it all the way up
See
on
where
there.
his knees are? Turn it around.
Dumbass.
It's gotta go underneath her.
This
Bro.
is gotta be under.
Yeah, there you go.
Get the off of my head, bro.
Not put your head.
Yes, the you are. Get the off my head. I'm not finna do shit.
Man, I'm not hurting you. I'm controlling your head.
Bro, get the out for
Pull
me.
your end upwards.
Stupid ass.
I
Get the hey, nothing. The y'all some lame ass, bro. Bro, get the for me.
That foot.
Just get that foot.
Weak ass. Took all y'all just for our female. Stupid
To keep you safe, man.
boy. Y'all.
We're trying to keep you from
Stupid ass. Oh, I'm gonna hurt one of y'all. With his weak ass couldn't get me in the car.
right there. There's not a. Is there another guy over there? Somebody, let's just make sure you don't walk up on us.
He ain't finna walk up on y'all. Y'all ain't no body. Bro, I don't want this shit on me. Y'all weird as bro. I swear to God, when I do come out this, bro, you gonna have hell.
We got a helmet so you don't hurt
Bro,
yourself.
y'all
Okay?
stupid as bro.
Soft. All right.
Weird ass, soft like you with your ass. Stupid ass shit.
Feet first, Mikey.
Bro, y'all weak as bro. I swear to God.
The legal foundation of this stop is settled before the first word is spoken. Under Georgia Code Section 4823, subsection D, a non-functioning tag light alone justifies the stop. The Georgia Court of Appeals confirmed this in Hampton v. State. 287 Georgia Appeals 896, decided 2007. Once dispatch returns active warrants, the analysis shifts entirely. Outstanding warrants supply independent probable cause to arrest, regardless of the underlying traffic offense. The Supreme Court held in Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided 2001, that custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible, even for fine-only offenses. But here, the offense is no longer fine-only. Driving while license suspended, under Georgia Code Section 45-121, is a jailable misdemeanor. Combined with active warrants, the officer's authority to take physical custody is beyond serious challenge. Now turn to the use of force. Every physical decision an officer makes is measured against Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, decided 1989. The standard is objective reasonableness based on the totality of the circumstances at the moment of decision. 3 factors govern the analysis: the severity of the offense, the immediate threat to officers, and whether the suspect is actively resisting. On this footage, Factor 3 is decisive. Active resistance, kicking the patrol vehicle, and verbal threats are documented on the record. The DRAP restraint is a soft, full-body device. No strikes, no takedowns. That sits low on every recognized use of force continuum and survives Graham scrutiny.
Why are you grabbing me like that, stupid?
Come on, talk to her first. Hey, man. Listen to me.
Shut the fuck up and drag me out like they threw me in here. Shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk to nobody about it because y'all some sorry ass bastards. Stupid ass.
Listen.
I don't want to hear shit, bro. bro. I don't want to hear nothing.
We're gonna get
You
you out of here.
drag me out like the I just drug me in here.
We're gonna get you out. We can get you dressed out, right? Alright? We're gonna help you out back here, okay? You work with us.
I'm not working with shit. Because when I'm trying to be nice, nobody wanted me to be nice.
Slide back for me.
No, you're gonna give me out like my fuck they put
Slide
me
back
in.
for me, alright? Slide back. This is the thing.
Oh, stupid ass.
This is the thing.
Oh, why are you still talking? Take me inside. I don't want to hear nobody mouth. Take me inside.
We're gonna help you.
Take me inside.
Right.
Take me inside. Take me inside, bro.
The resistance itself triggers a separate statute. Georgia Code Section 16-10-24, subsection A, defines misdemeanor obstruction, knowingly hindering an officer in the lawful discharge of duties. Subsection B escalates the charge to a felony when resistance involves offering or doing violence to the officer. Penalty range, 1 to 5 years on a first conviction, plus a mandatory minimum fine. That is the legal weight behind the battery on law enforcement charge filed in this case. One defense theory deserves a clean answer. Under Glenn v. State, decided by the Georgia Supreme Court in 2020, resisting an unlawful arrest is not obstruction. That defense fails here. The arrest was supported by valid warrants and a verified license suspension. Lawful arrest plus resistance equals a fresh felony.
So
Take me the inside. I don't hear
help
shit
you up.
you're
You
talking
ready?
about.
Are you gonna
I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, no. I'm not doing neither. I'm not doing neither.
Great.
I'm not doing neither.
Go.
I'm not doing neither. I'm not doing neither. I'm not doing neither.
We can take these off and you can walk.
Okay.
You gonna walk?
You gonna take them off?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to take them off. You want to be rude with you. Like, I don't want to talk to nobody. Just put me in the cell, bro. Put me in the cell. Bro, I'm not going to put me in the cell. But they were. And right now I'm on 10. I'm talking about I'm on 10. I'm on 10. Nobody can tell me shit. Figure it out. That's what you for.
Stand you up again.
How the I'm going to lean back with this shit on?
Get back to me. That's skin. Come on.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm not doing shit.
The grades. The lead officer earns a B. The stop was lawful, the arrest justified, the force proportional. Points lost on de-escalation. Denying the phone call was legal but not strategic. The driver earns a D. Outstanding warrants are not the officer's fault. Resisting them is. The lessons. For citizens, lawful arrests are not negotiated at the curb. They are challenged in court. Every act of physical resistance can convert a misdemeanor case into a felony record. For officers, conditional accommodation often resolves standoffs faster than repeated commands. A 2-minute conversation about a phone call can prevent a felony charge entirely. Reasonable minds may disagree on these grades. The comments will reflect that. Should the officer have allowed the phone call before transport? Share your reasoning below. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police interactions, where the law speaks louder than the moment.